So friend, this is my Nettech Blue Sky channel here, network. So what is a network? And before you learn about a network, so watch my this computer hardware, computer OS, basic knowledge, software, Windows control panel, and website, different type. I'm already created playlist. So computer hardware playlist, operating system playlist, basic knowledge and software knowledge you must have. And after you start my network series here, so this is a very important for you. So I'm already created this my previous video. Watch what is a network and why using network systems here. And this you can see here, this is a setup for you. And my whole videos part wise here. Okay, my last previous video I'm already told you why using a need and need a network connection. So let's start. So friend, before start my video, I'm give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online interest discussion and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on so here and this is you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I'm already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system you can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you. And you visit my other playlist, you can see Windows 7 basic related, what is a Windows 7, what is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit, what is a 32-bit. So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So computer need one type of user. Without user, computer not start automatically. Just like a power button, you are shut down and automatically not start by power. So first you press button, computer start, and you enter your name and start your computer. That means without your other automatically program not start your computer, that is you are using a computer. But that is one type of private and not needed, and not you are at any internet, not use or use anything communication. So that is a simple and local computer. That means a simple computer, not any man, woman, your email using, not you are using website. That is a offline computer, not using a. So why use and need a network connection? First understand network. Why give this name? Network, this type here showing here. Noun, that means communication easy, fast, secure, advanced work, data share and internet use. Why using this communication easy, fast, secure, advanced work, data share and internet use. So first understand, you are using wireless or wireless and wire through your network. So you are using as one type of wire technology. So that is this type you can see here. Okay, RG45 port. Either you are using uh, your different type of fiber optic cables. Either you are using a USB cables through. So that is a wire technology network. Wireless man, you can using a Wi-Fi technology, wireless systems and frequency type. So that is a wireless technology. So a system containing any combination of computer terminals, printers, audio and or visual display devices or telephone interconnect by telecommunication equipment or cable used to transmit or receive information. Simple this using. You are using a network connection, that means transmit or receive information. You are use Facebook. Why using Facebook? Facebook one type of communication social systems. Second, you are receiving information other your friends, your groups, and third is using transmit data, that means your photos, your videos, your chat, anything. So that is that you want need one type of information by electronic device. So network you cannot see without your internet, without your digital device equipment. So that is a one type of you want to need one type of connections. Without connection you cannot start your computer, not start your mobile devices. So sometime you can see here your mobile down, your network connection, network poor area, that means you are your data limitation finish, your internet data finish. That is a one type of your you are not completely your data communication to internet connection. So that is one type of telecommunication between you and your internet communication systems here. So one computer to another computer connected, that means you are showing your data to another computer, sending and receiving data and very need for your computer. So this is one type of very helpful for sometime information and sharing, that means your communication systems. So this type of network switch you can see here. I will discuss completely one by one what is a switch and how using switch and how working here and why use this network connection switches. So what is a switch? You can see here this is a one type of switch showing, and this type small switch you can see here, and switch in using this RJ45 cables and wireless switch and wireless router, different type device available in your network systems here. So this is a TP-Link, D-Link, Cisco, different type companies available these devices. So you can see communication easy, fast, secure and advanced work here, these type of technologies. So you can create large technology, large computer communications and very data sharing, internet using very high level configuration. So you are using one type of these type devices. Okay, so server, what is a server? Server, you share your data, that means YouTube, you can see here Facebook, Google, Yahoo and Amazon, different type companies available own server. Without server you cannot sharing data, without server you cannot receiving data. So YouTube one type of you can using here. What is a YouTube? YouTube is one type of communication application and websites. So how this start your video, because some persons already created a channel in YouTube server and upload already data, every videos, photos, anything. So server serve your demand and you can see video. Okay, so that is the one type of server side technologies. I will discuss in server series how server using here. So now today this type generation are using in laptop, desktop, tablets, Android phone, iPhone. How this communication between working here? So that is the one type of a network technologies, network layers. How working network layer and what is a network layer? I will discuss in next time one type of. But before I am showing a network diagram and showing one by one how many type of network. So you can see a server these systems and a server with different type of server line system. Okay, so this is one type of technology very important and helpful for you. Okay, so communication very powerful here, and different companies created own server, and it is very important for every man woman. You are using internet, so know about what is a network and how working here, and how we are create a network, small or large network. So next time I'm showing you how this starting network diagram, what is a network diagram, and how connect simple network here. So next time I will show you next video. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, so for first notification automatically send YouTube channel, and click on like button for my motivation. So thanks for watching my video. My all video part was here. Watch my playlist inside. You are interested new advanced free technologies, free courses for computer communication, computer technologies, computer hardware, network, and software, everything. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.